Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day. We're going to be putting groceries away and cleaning, but we're going to start decorating for Christmas, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Let's hit the grocery store so we can get to the fun part of the day. We're at the grocery store. It is pouring the rain, and we got the front spot closest to the vehicle, right next to the buggy thing. Yes, we're excited, aren't we? That's a win. Mama win. to be doing a lot of voiceovers in this video just because I want this video to be calm and relaxing, and I just want you guys to enjoy the music and the decorating. But I did want to give you some tips on how I decorate my home. I do like to change out the curtains for Christmas. You'll see I moved the curtains from our living room to our master bedroom because it goes with my Christmas decor I use in there. And then I got some new curtains for the guest room to go with that decor. Curtains are an awesome way to decorate for holidays without cluttering up your home because you have curtains anyway. Also, I love to use pillows, and I just buy pillow covers, and pillow covers and curtains are really easy to store. Those kind of decorations don't take up a lot of room, so that's why I like those.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Guys, thanks for hanging out with me and cleaning and decorating with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what you thought. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I hope this video gave you guys some cleaning and decorating motivation. I do change things around quite a bit, and actually the boys' bathroom, and that was Taylor giggling in the background. The boys' bathroom, the sink area looks a little different as I'm decorating the rest of the house. I have moved a few things around. So I'll be doing a Christmas home tour here in a couple weeks so that you guys can see all the final touches that I put on everything. Have a wonderful day and Merry Christmas!